We're just working on our entry for the snow sculpture contest.
We might even take home the prize with this one.
Wait, there's a prize?
Oh my god!
I think this might be cheating. Not sure if I can condone this sort of behavior. At the very least, you could have built around a better boy.
Yes, absolutely that.
It's interpretive. But ghost works. Let's go with that.
Honestly, we, couldn't decide what to make.
Lamo, I don't know. I think Snow Lump is fitting for the Sans entry.
Fits like a glove if you ask me. Pretty comfy too. You mean after sitting in a pile of snow for an indeterminate amount of time? Maybe. Maybe I can use that for my revenge.
Are you threatening to give us the cold shoulder, Sans?
I think that might have been a challenge.
Please don't get snow in my... Please don't get snow in my hot chocolate.
See you around.
Heck yeah, this is gonna look sick when it's done. Do the lights look good up there, Paps?
Never fear. I shall hang these lights in the most optimal way possible. They shall sparkle through the night, announcing our giftmas cheer.
Well, it's definitely bright out here. Considering the others are grabbing more lights, we'll probably blind half the neighborhood.
Nonsense. These are just as safe as any other light.
Are we ignoring all the yard decorations we haven't even put out yet? Do these light up too?
Oh, human! I wasn't sure when you would arrive, but welcome.
Ah, the neighbor we've been hearing so much about. It's so nice to finally meet you. Instead of just hearing stories, that is. I'm Vanwood.
All good things, I promise. Paps here speaks pretty highly of you. You can call me Tots.
Ahoy, mortal. I'm Eddie, and it's super cool to finally meet you, human.
I mean, it is a lot, but once the lights are up, I'm sure Papyrus here will zoom in to get this all done.
With all four of us working together, we can accomplish the goal of decorating in no time. Thank you for offering, human, but I think we are settled.
But wouldn't it go faster with 5?
Go on and say hi to the others so you don't freeze your tail off out here, human. It was nice to meet you, Merry Giftmas.
Merry Giftmas.
See you around, I guess. Merry Giftmas to you too.
Hello, Fiend. Smile, I'm glad that you could make it. Fried. Friend.
You sure we can't get you a whiteboard or something? It might be easier than letting your phone talk.
Maybe it would be faster if we played charades.
He lost a bet with Knox, so this is how he must live now.
Knox and Blue saw Sam sleeping at the table a little while ago, and the two of them bet on who can wake him up faster. Blue lost, obviously.
He didn't play fair. I did all the hard work and then he just texted him some dumb joke or something exclamation mark at.
We're deciding on a movie.
We might have been deciding for a while. It's easy to get distracted around here.
See you later.
Yep, just finished up in the dining room.
He won't let us detangle him.
Because I'm not.
Stretch. You're literally covered in lights.
That's a good one. Nah, it's fashion.
Fashionably flashy?
Fashionably lit, you mean?
Decorating.
What are you talking about? These walls are covered in decorations.
There's more? Where would it even fit?
You want the list in order of importance or descending order of tedious? Nope. Trust me, I'm good. My bro and I do this kind of thing every year. We decorated our whole town back in the day. It was a big communal event. Super fun.
Sounds like fun.
Yeah, back then my bro and I would wake up super early in the day to get a jump on decorating. It was like a race on who did the most. But we got to talk to friends, make our homes look nice. It was nice.
Bye.
See ya.
Enjoy the rest of the party.
Nah, you gotta be cheating. How the hell are you beating my legendaries? You play dirty, you lose.
Huh? Pokemon. Of course, Red said his team was unbeatable, and Raptor took it as a challenge.
My money's on Raptor if you ask me.
Jeez, Meg's breaking the heart over here.
You got cocky. You deserve whatever fate befalls you.
Good game.
Hold it.
Guess I'm beat. Could probably kick your ass in Mario Kart, though.
You're acting like Ben didn't already beat you at most of those races.
Well, jeez. Is there anything else you'd like to share with the class?
I think we're good.
Let me guess. He gave you the backstory one-liner?
Oh, that's man right there.
Even redder than his cheeks.
It's a condition, okay? What are you all on about? We're on a winning streak is what we're on. Heh, thanks for that. Alright, you take care, lad.
Totally.
No problemo.
We promise. Merry Giftmas.
I told you, I don't sound like that. What are you trying to insinuate?
You gotta admit, boss, Brian's got you pinned.
They're right. Obviously, my own take is superior, even to the original.
Nice one. Could I pay you to do that for the rest of the party?
Well, if you do, Dusky.
It would be incredible dribble jabba dabba dibble double dobby dob dob nobble. I am seldom terrified of anything, and yet here you are, proving there is more to fear in this world than I assumed. How kind of you to offer. 2 hours into the party.
Come on, boss man, be nice. Probably just got here.
I specifically requested you not to call me that, Shay.
Okay, sure thing.
That is even worse.
We're actually good here. There's not much left to unpack, but thanks for offering.
Unless you're up for shenanigans. We're always up for more shenanigans.
I ask that you not participate in shenanigans.
We're helping put up the last decorations.
We would have been done earlier, but...
You know this household. Getting anything done is like herding cats.
Thanks for the offer, though. We can handle the decorating, and boss, from here.
Handle me?
Yeah, don't let boss man drag you down. He'll be back soon.
Merry Giftmas! It was nice to meet you.
And say hi to the others for us.
Right. Merry Giftmas. See you inside.
Hey, remind me, were we bringing the potato-based drink product or the sparkling battery acid?
I think I'll take some of the melted ice cream.
I'm personally a fan of the beetroot without the tube. Maybe some fermented shoe polish as well. I don't know how on earth I let my cousins curate such a cacophonous collection of cursed concoctions.
What? Are you gonna whine about it?
Booze.
Oh, hush, I'm trying my best here.
Greetings, dear neighbor. Please, tell these heathens to take up the normal drinks and not the... what was it called again?
I think he meant the bone-hurting juice.
None of those. Everything you've said upsets and offends me.
Outlet store no mean.
I don't think some of it was even technically for retail, but they still sold it to us. I don't know. Never tried these kinds of drinks before.
And people ask why my drink of choice is coffee.
'Cause you like taste buds?
On the contrary, I merely wish to preserve them. I just came in here because the horse skull told me to. It has a problem. Google it. Where do my cousins find you people? And save me in the process, would you?
What do you mean it's not Easter?
I thought Blue Papyrus told you guys it was a giftmas party.
It was mostly a lot of screaming and declarations of "come celebrate with us," followed by a kazoo rendition of Jingle Bells.
I feel like that should have been indicative enough of the holiday. But I love the spirit.
And honestly, they're super talented kazoo players, so I can't complain.
I can't keep up with them most of the time. They're really, something else. Oh, welcome to the party.
Hey, did you know this was a giftmas party? Why didn't you tell me?
Probably because they don't know you, Bopey.
Even so, I came for some Easter eggs. You're a bunny, Kisa. You should know my pain.
I don't think that has anything to do with it.
I'm more curious as to why you two decided to wear your PJs outside.
They have grippies on the bottom.
Goblin Corps waits for no man rain.
I just needed some time to breathe. The boys are really loud sometimes. But they're also cute, so they get a pass.
Cute.
I got tired from coding the game and needed some peace and quiet. You just lost it, by the way.
Well, if there aren't any eggs here, I might as well go inside. Those cookies have my name written all over them.
I'm here for the chaos. Do whatever you want, Bopey.
I'm taking that literally.
Just save some for the rest of us, please.
Well, sorry to say, but there isn't much to do out here. I just need a nap for a bit. Preferably eggless. You can join me if you want. Oh, okay. Enjoy the rest of the tour then. Merry Giftmas.
See ya.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy the party.
Oh, thanks, bud. We're good out here.
Yeah, no worries. We're a big tough group of party goers. Just a little manual labor is all.
Guess you could call it our flower power?
Funny joke.
That is like the 5th time you've said that today.
I call them as I see them.
And the flower's nice and cozy with this protective tarp. The fall hit pretty hard last night, so we're just making sure they're secure.
The tarps are to keep them safe from the snow after fall. They can stand the snow longer than Blair can stand my sweater.
which quite honestly isn't very long. Watching them rant about it is quite heartwarming.
I think they like it. They just don't want to admit it.
In fact, they probably think you're pretty hot in that. Funny joke. I think I'd rather warm my weary bones by the fire.
Thanks. We'll see you later.
And Merry Giftmas.
Yeah, it was nice. See you around soon.
Could you please move your hands now? My arms are kinda tired.
All you need to do is elaborate. I'd be happy to demonstrate.
I don't know. Do you think we'd even fall for it?
It'll be fine, B. Just have fun with it.
Yeah, okay. I'll give it a try. I believe in you too.
Oh, hello. Merry Giftmas. We're baking gingerbread cookies.
Fun fact, gingerbread men are based on a species of sentient cookies. We bake them in memory of their hard-fought battles in the Cookie War.
It's true. Gingerbreadians were a very noble race of monsters. There's many stories about them. Please, tell me you've heard them before.
Gingerbread, huh? What else?
Well, mission failed, but still, quite creative. Fantastic, Kuro.
Thanks, Poplar. I think Ice's hard water would have succeeded, but yeah, that was pretty good.
Sorry, we were just teasing. They wanted to see if you'd fall for one of Popla's stories.
Well, they didn't fall for Penguini. I had to try again.
Hey, you earned it. Help yourself. Merry Giftmas.
Merry Giftmas. Feel free to come back for more.
If you can handle our blinding coolness, that is.
It was a black to have you, human. Blast.
You, you okay there, bro?
Hug off. Hug. Stretch, what did you do to my spell check?
Thanks for the presents. Gonna be digging into this honey as soon as the house is vacated.
I do wish I'd gotten to speak to you more, but decorating did keep me fairly busy. Ah well, it was nice to see you again at least.
You could have just slacked off, you know. Taken a page from your big bro's book of secrets.
Does that list happen to start with spending all of your day gaming? Because if so, I'm afraid I'll pass.
Heh, fair enough. See you around, bud. Thanks for stopping by.
Be sure to watch your step on your way out, dear neighbor. The floor is rather slippery.
Yeah, my bad.
probably shouldn't have tried to carry 34 glasses of eggnog at once.
You think?
Okay, probably. But yeah, have a safe trip home. Only, with no tripping, ideally.
It was nice to see you again. Do feel free to come by more often.
We could always use your help around here. You're our best bud, after all.
Ah, if you say your friendship is flowering, I'm going to throw myself out the nearest window.
All right, Pops, no problem. Hope to see you soon. Hey, pal. Thanks for coming over. Stay frosty, all right?
Yes! Thank you so much, human. We're so glad that you were able to make it.
Even if the directions were a bit confusing.
Yes. I will be sure to be more clear next time. Maybe use fewer kazoos.
See you soon, pal.
And Merry Giftmas!